All right, go. What's good, son?
Not much, man. Out here at our website release, Gentleman State University website, gentlemanstate.com.
Okay. It's my nigga James Supreme. What you been into?
Sir.
What you been getting into, son?
I've been into a lot of stuff, man. I'm into fashion, philanthropy, and etiquette. And I've been using Gentleman State as an outlet for me to express those passions, not only in fashion, but in other areas of my life that I cherish too.
All right. Well, what crew are you repping right now? What's the crew that you fuck with?
Gentleman State, man.
All right.
Gentleman State University. Follow us on Twitter at Gentleman State. We also got Tumblr, Gentleman State Uni.
Okay.
And we're basically just a group of individuals who look to basically open men's eyes to the broad spectrum of opportunities afforded to them through their use of personal style, etiquette, and philanthropy. So with that being said, we out here at Fly Cakes ATL with our first fashion mixer success. We got an etiquette dinner coming up March 16th at Georgia State University. It's a full course meal. We're partnering up with the AKAs and Alphas of Georgia State University to bring you dining first class. That's the name of it. And first 60 people get in. If you're not, sorry.
All right. Let me see the jewelry pieces that you holding on.
Yeah, stop, man.
Oh,
Just got
man. Regular things for regular guys?
Things, man. Pinky ring.
All right.
Bracelet, say my name, Supreme.
Okay. Straight Supreme, son. All right. Thank you for talking to me, my nigga.
Chuck D. Everybody look out for this, man. He's about to blow up.
I need you to shout out the Foot Clan right quick,
Oh,
son.
Foot Clan? Already know. Foot Clan, I've been heavy. I'm a Champs Associate.
Yeah.
Champs Associate top.
Nah, nigga, you in the
I respect
team.
the sneaker game, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, man.
All right.